My mother has hundreds of instant breakfast recipe ideas, and out of them, one is poha idli with mint chutney. So today, let's all learn how to make super soft and instant poha idli with spicy mint chutney. Hey everyone, this is Shraddha, and welcome to Ambika Shetty's kitchen. Firstly, in a grinding jar, take 1 cup of thin poha. You can also use thick poha. Grind it and make sure it's a coarse powder, not too fine and neither too coarse. Transfer it into a bowl, and in another bowl take 1.5 cup of rice rava and add water to it. Rinse it and squeeze it. Squeeze it and add it to the powdered poha. To it, add 1 cup of curd with about 3/4 cup of water. Mix it well. So when you mix it, make sure there are no lumps and also that the batter is not too thick neither too thin. Set it aside for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, boil water in an idli steamer. So our 10 minutes are up. This is how the batter will be after it has been set for about 10 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda and salt as per your taste preference. Mix well. This is it. There are no more ingredients to be added to the batter. After mixing it well, transfer it to the idli plates. Here we have greased the idli plates with oil. You can also use ghee to grease the plates. Put it on the stand and lock it. Place it in the idli steamer. Steam it for about 20 minutes on medium flame. Meanwhile, let's see how to prepare the chutney. Take 1/2 cup of mint leaves, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, 1/2 cup of grated fresh coconut, and also break down 2 green chilies into it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and 1/2 cup of water. Grind it well. Simple, the chutney is ready. For the tadka, take 1 teaspoon of oil and fry 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds in it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal and 7 to 10 curry leaves too. Fry it well. Add it to the chutney and mix well. Making the tadka is not very necessary. Here the idlis are ready and so is our spicy mint chutney. Place it on a plate and serve it with the chutney. Now you can see that my mother is showing the texture of the idli and you can make out that it has come out very soft and very spongy. Looking good, right? Serve it with spicy mint chutney and you'll like it for sure. I hope you have liked this recipe and we'll be back with yet another interesting recipe, and until then, take care. Bye.